What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Wanted to give you a small update to all my supporters, subscribers, listeners, those who follow me on different platforms. Trying to get my YouTube page up and going where I can actually start monetizing, and I'm almost there. So as you see, we have these subscribers. It takes 1,000 subscribers, and then you need 4,000 public watch hours. So you see I got 3,121. So we almost there, and then I can be able to start doing something different, because I want to start switching things up and investing money in better video quality, up close welding when I'm doing classes and things of that nature. And I'm just trying to open up different sources of income, so that way I can be able to kill a few birds with one stone. For those who follow me, most of y'all know I'm independent, so everything that I do with HogOn Welding is solely funded by me, my spouse. We are behind the business 100%. Like, we don't have no outside investors. We don't have people just knocking on our doors throwing us money, but we are having ads, not just ads, I'm sorry, but we are having more people come to us to do other services, for work services, and we have been having a few investors keep their eyes on us, but we haven't made it over that hump yet, but we're working on that. So I'm reaching out to y'all, for those who network with me, man, to just share the channel. Those who follow me, like, share the page if you don't mind. I appreciate it. Like I said, it might be a video that really could touch someone. You know, I got a few thousand videos, all miscellaneous, so you never know what you can use to actually help someone else. So I appreciate your support of my channel. Keep getting your hog on. Black Phoenix.